All right, I'm outside on the hood of the car. This is my ram ball mount for my boat lights. I printed this out of regular PLA. It works really well. This is just the prototype here. This one's too weak because I printed this standing up, so my layer lines are running this way, which makes it brittle, and when I tighten it up, it cracks right through here. So I've got another one that I've made where the layer lines are running vertically, so it should be a lot stronger and be able to tighten it up enough to where I can lock it down. This one doesn't lock down because you can't tighten it up enough. But anyway, that's what I'm going to mount my pod lights on. Thanks for watching.